Hey, what's up? It's Sam from HiViz LEDs and the FireTech brand, and this is the FireTech Grill. The HiViz LEDs Grill Kit was designed to be an installable option for customers that are looking for more light in front of their truck. It's really a public safety market focused product where we have both 4 warning lights as well as 3 or 4 of the high output HiViz LEDs FireTech Light Cannons we partnered with Vision X to create. So what's really cool is you'll see the multi-optic high volume cannons in the middle. Those fixtures are designed to project a lot of light down the roadway. The high intensity spot cannon produces a really tight pencil beam that projects farther than the high volume cannons, but isn't quite as much light. So when you combine all 4 of those together, you have the ultimate forward-facing scene light, a combination of super long distance and super high volume, in addition to your warning lights. These things are available for Ford, for Dodge, for Chevy, and for the Freightliner M2, and we're always developing new chassis applications. If you'd like us to build one of these for your truck, reach out to a FireTech team member and we'll be happy to look into it.